All right, boys and girls, I'm back with homework for day for Wednesday night, which is section 4. Number 1 says Chloe can take nor more no more is supposed to be. Chloe can take no more than 20 pounds of luggage on the airline. Her bag weighs 600 ounces. By how much is her bag too heavy? So I'm going to have to do a couple of things on this one. So I know she can take no more than 20 pounds of luggage on the airline. And I'm trying to find out ounces, how much her bag weighs. They tell me her bag weighs 600 pounds in ounces. So I need to convert pounds to ounces up here. So 20 pounds equals how many ounces? That's what I'm trying to find out. And I know there are 16 ounces in a pound. So this is the bigger weight, the bigger unit. This is the smaller unit. So I'm going from a big to a small. So I'm going from a horse to a fly. So I need to multiply. So since it's 16 ounces in a pound, I need to do 20 times 16 to see how many ounces 20 pounds would be. 0 times 6 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Put my 0 out on my place. Mark out my 6. 0 times 1 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Add it up. It's 0, 2, 3. So, hold up. What did I do wrong? 20 times 16. Make sure I did this right. So 0 times 6. 0 times 6 is 0. Oh, yeah, I did it right. So 0 times 6 is 0. That's 12. 0, 0, 2. So yeah, her bag is actually, it says her bag weighs 600 pounds, but she can take no more than 20 pounds of luggage, which would be 320 pounds, 320 ounces, sorry. So I need to see how much more her bag weighs than it's supposed to weigh. So her bag weighs 600 and it's supposed to only weigh 320. So to find the difference, to see how much it's too heavy by, I would need to subtract 600. Wait, let me put this right here because I know this is 320. So I need to subtract 320 from 600 to see how much it's over by. 0, borrow 5, that'll be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it's too heavy by 280 ounces. It's 280 ounces too much. So that's what you need to do. So first, you need to convert pounds to ounces to see how many ounces her luggage was supposed to be for the plane, and it's supposed to be 320 ounces. But her bag actually weighed 600 ounces. So it was over by too much. And they want to know how much was it over by, how much was it too heavy. And it ended up being 280 ounces too heavy. So she needs to take some stuff out of her bag so she can get on the plane. Okay, next one. Start time. So this is elapsed time. We have to find the end time. If she started at 8:12, something started at 8:12 p.m. and the time that went by was 8 hours. So this one is going to be, we'll see what happens on this one. It might go over to the AM. No, it's not. Yeah, it might. It will. So if it's 8:12 at p.m., that's 8:12 at night. So think about this. 8:12. She added 8 hours and 15 minutes. So we can go ahead and add the 8 hours, but it's going to be a problem because once I get to 12 o'clock midnight, my time goes to 1 o'clock then, 1 o'clock a.m. So I got to do this. I'm going to add it up at the until I get to 12 first. So what plus 8 gives me 12? It's going to be 4. So I'm going to add 4 hours first to put me at 12, 12. But now I'm at a.m. So I'm at 12, 12. I've added 4 hours. So now I need to add 4 more hours to equal 8. So I have to add 8 hours total. I've added 4. I need to add 4 more to get my 8. So add 4 more hours to 12, 12. So if it's 12 o'clock, my next hour is going to be 1 o'clock. So it's going to be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So now it's going to be 4:12 a.m. Now I have that 15 minutes left. So I can just add that whole 15 minutes to 12. So 12 would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's not going to be 24. What did I do wrong? I just added 10. So 12 plus 10 would be 22. Then I need to add 5 more. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So it'd be 4:27. Oops. 4:27 a.m. So let me make sure. 12 plus 10 is 22. Plus 5 more would be 27. So my time, elapsed time would be 4:12 a.m. So you have to understand what happened. It started at night. So it was close to bedtime, let's just say. And 8 hours and 15 minutes passed. So now it is 4:12 a.m. in the morning. So almost time to get back up. So that's what that will be. And that is it for Wednesday night's homework.